Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be covering a useful technique for expanding your crochet skills. This is the front loop only variant on stitches. I will be using US terminology. Please refer to the description below for translation to UK. This video will show what front loop only means, showing how it is done with single crochet. I will also show some with other stitches, but the basis is consistent. It doesn't matter what hook and yarn you are using. If you're a beginner, a 4mm hook and 8-ply yarn is probably easiest, but whatever you have on hand or matching the pattern you're using is fine. Front loop only refers to when inserting the hook on the row below, instead of inserting through both loops on the stitch, only inserting to the front loop, as you can see on screen. Once it is inserted, complete the stitch as normal. For example, a single crochet is yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now if we are doing a double crochet, we would yarn over first, then hook through just the front loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is a front loop only double crochet, or in shorthand, FLO DC. Let me show you a row of single crochet completed with this method. You can see that it has left a line of loops on the back. This can be useful for creating a visible design on the back or to create flexibility. By only joining to the front loop, it allows the fabric of the crochet to fold sharply at this point, which is great for plushies, or stretch wide, which is great for beanies and gloves. This method is used if completing an increase. And a decrease. Well, there we have it, the front loop only technique. I hope this has helped. If so, please subscribe and like the video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Have a lovely day.